How's it going, YouTube? So today we're doing an unboxing on a LED security floodlight. This is from a company called AMICO. It's a three-headed LED security light. It has 40 watts, about 3,500 lumens, at about a 5,000 K Kelvin, so it's almost a decent white light, and that's the kind of color I prefer, especially for security lights. This thing's all weatherproof, so it's like IP65, kind of like your iPhone, I believe. Alright. So in the box you have like the typical mounting brackets, the screws, the terminators. It does come with this sticker here. I guess it's more kind of a weatherproof adhesive. And you get the instructions. Alright, so let's take a look here what we have. So as you can see, this is a pretty good size LED security light. The housing is metal, plastic. See the three heads, so you get really good coverage. Then you have the green, the black, and the white. And they're labeled nicely. So it's green, the black, and the white. And the neutral, so white. Of course, you're able to pivot the main body. The body here is plastic. Everything's already screwed and sealed. So I assume once you mount it, this is kind of the adhesive that you will put. I like that the sensors pivot at the bottom, so I'm able to move it around and adjust it a lot better. And as you can see, you could also control the on time. You can set it for 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 minute, and then there's the test. And then you can do the range of the sensor from max to minimal. I think max would probably be appropriate overall. And this might be a daylight type sensor. I'm not sure. As you can see, the quality is very nice. It has these fins that kind of help get rid of the heat from the LEDs, so they'll last longer without getting damaged. And as you can see, this is a very nice looking LED security lamp light. So after I mount this, I'll take a couple pictures and I'll post it. But if you have any questions or comments, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll leave the link below if you want to read more on this. You can pivot the head this way too. That's cool. So you can spotlight around the corners, or maybe against like a trash can. Because I'm gonna mount this by the garage and it's pretty close to a trash can, so lighting up the trash can area would be very useful for me. But this also comes in black. Our house is more white colored, so I figure I prefer a white color. Plus it kind of reflects the light, the sunlight, the heat. And I just think it'll look better in the long run. So if you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll get to it as soon as I can. And again, I'll provide a link below if you want to take a look at this. And I'll try to mount this weekend or so, and I'll attach a picture somewhere in the description. Alright? I'll leave it there.